In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay someone using PayPal. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to do it effortlessly. Whether you're settling a friend's dinner tab or paying a freelancer, let's walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to head over to the PayPal website. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.paypal.com. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options, but in this case, you want to focus on logging into your account. The login button is prominently displayed, usually in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on Log In. After clicking Log In, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. These are your email address and password linked to your PayPal account. Double check to ensure everything is entered correctly, as this will help avoid any login issues. Once entered, proceed by clicking on the login button to access your account. Now, in some cases, for security reasons, PayPal might require additional verification. This can happen if your login attempt is from a new device or location. If prompted, you can choose to receive a verification code via a WhatsApp text or an SMS. Choose the option that works best for you, and once you receive the text, enter the code where instructed. This step helps secure your account from unauthorized access. With your identity verified, you'll land on the PayPal homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to this. Your account summary is usually the first thing you see, giving you a snapshot of your recent activities and balance. To proceed with sending money, locate the Send button, often placed prominently near the top of the page. This button is your gateway to initiating payments. Clicking on Send will direct you to a new page where you can enter the recipient's details. Generally, this means providing the email address or mobile number associated with the recipient's PayPal account. PayPal relies on these details to ensure the money is sent to the correct person, so accuracy is key here. Next, enter the amount you wish to send. You'll have the option to add a note if you want to provide context for the payment, like for last night's dinner or for the design project. Such details can be helpful for both you and the recipient, especially if you plan to use PayPal frequently for various transactions. Finally, double check all your entries. Be meticulous here. Ensure the recipient's details and payment amount are accurately entered before confirming the transaction. Once satisfied, you can click Send and you'll receive a confirmation that your money is on its way. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step process to pay someone using PayPal. It's always a good idea to keep track of your activity in PayPal's transaction history, which you can access easily from your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.